Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, keyless start, low tire pressure warning, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.